pre-workout inspiration. I'm thinking about Michael Kenneth Williams this morning, and this Maya Angelou quote. She said, we delight in the beauty of a butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it went through to achieve that beauty. And it made me think about a moth, because a moth goes through the same changes, the same difficulties as a butterfly, flies the same way, but is rarely seen as beautiful. And when is a moth seen as beautiful? And I believe Michael Kenneth Williams showed us that, because that scar he had on his face, you looked at it and initially you saw hardness, you saw toughness. Because this man that was a dancer, that was a creative, that was all these other things, got this scar, he would now go to these roles and he'd be able to show us light, show us a complete human being. When we only, and the beautiful thing is, he kept that hardness, that toughness, that was still that person, and added so much more. And Rumi said that a wound is a place where the light enters us. And if that's true, then that scar, a scar, is where we go first to find light when we're in the darkness. And I believe Michael Kenneth Williams showed us that light through that scar. And the beautiful thing about a moth is a nocturnal creature, and we are not. We're made to see in the daytime. So we don't know what it looks like to look at a moth with nocturnal eyes, with the eyes of an animal of the night. My assumption is they're just as beautiful as a butterfly. And Michael Kenneth Williams is that moth. But we got to see him with the eyes of an animal of the night. Rest in peace, brother. Thank you.